Good morning, everyone. It's autumn, time for the leaves to fall and the apples to drop. But this morning I'm going to be talking to you about composting, home composting. What can you put in? So here is my compost bin today. It's pretty full at the moment. There are worms to be seen. Can you see those dropping down? So in my compost bin I've got grass cuttings, vegetation, lots of things from the kitchen, including, if you look there, eggshells, very important for the worms. What else could I put in? So we mustn't forget our browns, because compost is best made at home with 50% browns and 50% greens. And so here we are. Here are some browns. So old egg box, new roll inside, bit of chip paper wrapped up, chipped up. So rip it up and pop it in, because if it's too much green, it will go slimy. So let's have a look at what's inside the kitchen bin. And here we have a grand assortment. So we've got peels, bits of tomato, tea leaves, more eggshells, receipts ripped up. Yeah, that'll all do. Bits of onion, bashed apple. Oh, and I can see here that there is, instead of putting it in the hoover, that's the sort of dust and stuff off the stairs. Oh, a little bit of a banana peel and all sorts of stuff in there. So that's all going to go into the bin on top of what's already there. So that's now all in the top of the bin, and I've thrown in the browns to mix up. And so what shall I put on the top? I'll show you now. So there we have it. I've just thrown a few handfuls of damp grass cuttings on top, so the worms can just get back in there. Oh, and they've already nearly all disappeared right in. Gone off the edges. There's one or two left, but I'm going to put the lid on now, and that can just sit there for a while, and we'll see how wonderful the compost will be in the springtime. Happy composting.